A2. Jack Direct Drive Power Saving Lockstitch Machine with Automatic Trimmer Function. The new generation of high-efficiency direct drive power saving model with automatic trimmer function. Streamlined design, unique blue lines, German design, simple and fluent. And it has automatic trimmer function, which enables high production and low cost. A2 makes you enjoy more. We add automatic trimmer function based on customers' demands and operation problems according to many years sales and service experience. A2 improves 37% to 100% trimming efficiency compared with manual cutting. Also, its automatic trimmer stitch is stable and more beautiful. A2's simple operation panel makes you easily understand with its visual marks and unique design. It can satisfy your sewing demands with its different function keys such as automatic trimmer function, different sewing mode function, stop position, and a factory setting function. Intimate design makes you enjoy brand new sewing experience. Jack also pays high attention to humanized design beyond operator's experience. We adopt closed-type motor, which prevents dust and lower the cost and improve efficiency during maintenance. Operators can adjust LED brightness easily according to working environment. Fingerprint non-slip design of hand wheel also is a thin design. Reduced machine temperature effectively. Excellent sewing performance, suitable for fabrics from light to heavy duty. Half-stitch function can be accurate to one stitch or even half-stitch. Blue lines on the needle gauge key makes it more beautiful. A2. Jack Direct Drive Power Savings Lockstitch Machine with Automatic Trimmer Function brings new technology, high efficiency, automatic trimmer, high cost performance. Better sewing brings you a happy experience.